Hey traders, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. Today, we're diving into the best alternative to Yahoo Finance. Let's face it, if you've been using Yahoo Finance, you know it's a decent starting point for tracking stocks and getting some basic financial news. But when it comes to deeper insights, better research tools, and features that really give you an edge, well, that's where it falls short. In this video, we're breaking down the top 3 Yahoo Finance alternatives that are changing the game for investors like you. By the end of this review, you'll know exactly which one is the best fit for your investing style. Don't get me wrong, Yahoo Finance was great years back. But let's be real, it's not exactly cutting edge anymore. If you're serious about investing, you need more, deeper insights, better tools, and real-time data that can help you stay ahead of the curve. That's where these 3 platforms come in. The best part is that I've personally tested all these platforms, and I'm going to show you exactly which one gives you the most bang for your buck. Let's kick things off with TipRanks, the platform that's changing the way investors research stocks. TipRanks is all about transparency. It tracks the performance of financial analysts, bloggers, and even hedge funds, so you can see exactly how reliable their predictions are. No more guessing, just cold, hard data to help you make smarter decisions. TipRanks was founded in 2012 with one goal: to bring transparency to the world of stock research. It started by tracking the performance of Wall Street analysts, and today, it's grown into a powerhouse platform that gives individual investors access to the same tools the pros use. What sets TipRanks apart is its unique approach. Instead of just giving you stock recommendations, it shows you who's making those recommendations and how accurate they've been in the past. This means you can trust the insights you're getting because they're backed by real data. Now, let's see what real users are saying about TipRanks. It has a stellar 4.4 out of 5-star rating from more than 1,400 real users, with everyone raving about its accuracy and ease of use. One user called it the gold mine of information and added that it offers huge value at a very reasonable price. Many users also love TipRanks, as it is the best way to track recommendations from the most successful analysts. But don't just take their word for it. Let's dive into the features that make TipRanks a must-have for any investor. First up, the Smart Portfolio tool. Ever wished you could see all your stocks in one place and know exactly what to do next? That's where TipRanks Smart Portfolio comes in. With the Smart Portfolio, you can easily add your holdings and watch as TipRanks analyzes them, giving you insights that go beyond just numbers. It even taps into crowd insights to help you decide whether it's time to buy, sell, or hold. Another standout feature is Expert Center. If you're serious about stock investing, you probably want insights from the best in the game. That's where TipRanks Expert Center comes in. It lets you find and follow top experts, from Wall Street analysts and hedge fund managers to corporate insiders and financial bloggers. But what really makes it stand out is that TipRanks now ranks individual investors who have made their portfolios public. You can see what they're buying and selling, and even track their success. And let's not forget the Blogger Sentiment tool. It tracks the performance of financial bloggers, so you can see if their stock picks are actually worth following. This is a game changer for anyone who relies on online stock tips. With TipRanks, you're not just getting data, you're getting actionable insights that can help you make smarter, faster decisions. Now, let's talk about the flip side. TipRanks, like any tool, isn't perfect if you're completely new to investing. The sheer amount of data might feel a bit overwhelming at first, but honestly, that's just because it offers so much, which is ultimately a good thing. Once you spend a little time exploring the platform, everything starts to make sense, and it becomes your go-to tool for confident investing. Another point some users mention is the pricing. Yes, the premium plans aren't free, but investing is all about getting the right information at the right time. If TipRanks helps you avoid even one bad stock pick or spot a hidden gem, it's more than worth the subscription cost. And here's a little tip. They often run promotions, so you might even snag a great deal if you're serious about your portfolio. It's a small investment for peace of mind and access to some of the best data out there. So, how much does TipRanks cost? TipRanks offers 2 primary plans for serious investors who want to gain an edge in the stock market. They offer a yearly plan for $29.95 per month, billed annually. But wait, if you're thinking long term, the 3-year plan is a steal. It costs just $19.95 per month, billed every 3 years. Both plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk. Now, I know what you're thinking. TipRanks sounds amazing, and it is. But what if you're someone who loves diving deep into stock analysis? What if you want more than just data and ratings? What if you want to understand the why behind a stock's performance? That's where Seeking Alpha comes in. If TipRanks is like having a team of analysts at your fingertips, Seeking Alpha is like having a library of expert insights. It's the platform I turn to when I want to dig in and understand a stock from every angle. Seeking Alpha is not just about data, it's about insight. It brings together perspectives from thousands of contributors, including investors, traders, and industry experts. This means you get a 360-degree view of any stock you're researching. So, if you're someone who loves to geek out on stock analysis, Seeking Alpha is going to be your new best friend. But don't just take my word for it. Let's see what the investing community has to say about this platform. After all, the best way to judge a tool is by hearing from other people who use it every day. Now, let's see what real users are saying about TipRanks. Seeking Alpha has a stellar 3.9 out of 5-star rating on Trustpilot, and it's easy to see why. Users absolutely rave about how helpful it is with stock portfolio, the diversity of perspectives, and the customer service of Seeking Alpha. Of course, Seeking Alpha is not perfect. Some users mention that the premium plan can feel a bit pricey, but as one user put it, when you consider the value you're getting, it's worth every penny. Now, let's dive deeper into what makes it so special and see why so many investors swear by it. Every month, Seeking Alpha's team of analysts handpicks 2 stocks they believe have the most growth potential. If you're someone who doesn't have the time to research stocks yourself, this feature is a game changer. Next, we have stock analysis. This is where Seeking Alpha really shines. What I love about this feature is the diversity of perspectives. You're not just getting one analyst's opinion, you're getting insights from a whole community of experts. This means you can see a stock from every angle and make more informed decisions. This is one of my favorite features on Seeking Alpha. These groups are led by experienced investors who share their strategies, insights, and stock picks. It's a great way to learn from others and get new ideas for your portfolio, and lots more, which is exactly why I keep coming back to Seeking Alpha as my second favorite Yahoo Finance alternative. Now, as much as I love all the content and insights Seeking Alpha offers, let's keep it real. No platform is perfect. When you have access to that much information, there can be a bit of a trade-off. One thing I noticed is that it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Imagine walking into a massive library filled with every investing book you could ever want. It's incredible, but it can also be a bit daunting if you don't know where to start. However, once you get the hang of filtering through the content and saving your favorite contributors, it becomes an invaluable resource. Like any powerful tool, Seeking Alpha comes with a price tag. But when you consider the value you're getting, it's an investment that can pay for itself many times over. Seeking Alpha's premium membership is where the magic happens. It usually costs $299 per year, but right now, there's a special offer that knocks $30 off the price. That simply means that if you act fast, you can get it for just $269 for the first year. And here's the best part. You can try it risk-free with a 7-day free trial. That's right, you get full access to all the premium features for a week before committing to anything. Now, while Seeking Alpha is fantastic for in-depth analysis and expert opinions, I get that not everyone wants to spend hours reading articles or comparing contributor insights. Sometimes you just want a simple, visual snapshot of a stock's strengths and weaknesses, something that gives you the big picture fast. That's where Simply Wall Street comes in. If you're a visual learner like me, this platform is a breath of fresh air. Let's dive into what makes Simply Wall Street so unique and why it's perfect for investors who love clean, graphic-based insights. Now, let's see what other real users are saying about Simply Wall Street. Simply Wall Street has a loyal following, particularly among visual learners. It boasts a 4.4 out of 5-star rating on major review sites. One user praised the fact that they're constantly improving their services. And just like other Yahoo Finance alternatives, Simply Wall Street needs some improvements. Some users mention that the sheer volume of content can feel overwhelming at first. But once you get the hang of it, it's like having a treasure trove of insights at your fingertips. All right, let's talk about the heart of Simply Wall Street, its core feature. This platform isn't just another stock research tool. It's an all-in-one solution designed to help you improve your portfolios, speed up your research, and find winning stocks, all in one place. Whether you're managing a single portfolio or juggling multiple investments, Simply Wall Street gives you the tools you need to stay organized, informed, and ahead of the game. The downside? Advanced investors might find it lacking in depth compared to TipRanks or Seeking Alpha. But here's the thing. If you're someone who wants quick visual insights without getting bogged down in technical jargon, Simply Wall Street is a breath of fresh air. Plus, it's super affordable compared to other platforms. Talking about affordability, let's look into what this platform costs. Simply Wall Street offers 3 pricing tiers: free, premium, and unlimited. And trust me, there's something here for every budget and every level of investing experience. First up, the free plan. This is perfect if you're just starting out and want to dip your toes into the world of investing. Next, we have the premium plan. This is where things get really exciting. For just $10 per month or $120 billed yearly. This plan is perfect for serious investors who want to take their research to the next level. It's packed with features that help you stay on top of your investments and make smarter decisions. Finally, we have the unlimited plan. This is the ultimate package for investors who want it all, for $20 per month or $240 billed yearly. If you're managing multiple portfolios or just want the freedom to research as much as you want, this plan is a no-brainer. It's like having a full-time research assistant at your fingertips. All right, we've broken down each platform individually, but now it's time to compare them head to head. Which one is the best for you? Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up in key areas like value, features, user reviews, pricing, and more. If you're all about data-driven decisions and analyst insights, TipRanks is your best bet. If you love deep research and diverse perspectives, go with Seeking Alpha. And if you're a visual learner who wants quick, intuitive insights, Simply Wall Street is the way to go. TipRanks shines with its analyst ratings and smart portfolio tool. Seeking Alpha stands out with its crowdsourced research and investing groups, and Simply Wall Street wins with its visual tools and portfolio health check. All 3 platforms have stellar reviews, but Simply Wall Street and TipRanks edges out slightly with a 4.4 out of 5-star rating. Seeking Alpha came close behind with 3.9 out of 5-star rating. Simply Wall Street is the most budget-friendly, with a free plan and affordable premium options. TipRanks and Seeking Alpha are a little pricier, but offer advanced tools that justify the cost. TipRanks is perfect for serious investors who want analyst-backed insights. Seeking Alpha is ideal for those who love deep research and diverse perspectives, and Simply Wall Street is the go-to for visual learners and investors who want quick, intuitive tools. Data from TipRanks might feel a bit overwhelming at first. Seeking Alpha can feel overwhelming for beginners too, and Simply Wall Street lacks some advanced features for pros. So, which one is the best? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. If you want analyst-backed insights, go with TipRanks. If you love deep research and diverse perspectives, Seeking Alpha is your best bet. And if you're a visual learner who wants quick, intuitive tools, Simply Wall Street is the way to go. At the end of the day, all 3 platforms are fantastic alternatives to Yahoo Finance. But if I had to pick one, TipRanks takes the crown for its powerful tools and analyst insights. It's the ultimate choice for serious investors who want to stay ahead of the game. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more money-saving tips like this.